Segment 5, project team roles and skills. So whenever we start a company start a project, a software company start a project, it requires lots of people. Like for example, in construction area, there are lots of people works in there. So everybody have their specific role in that construction. So basically in information system there are the 5 roles. Okay, the business analyst, system analyst, we have seen this earlier, system analyst, infrastructure analyst, change management analysis, and project manager. You may think about, okay, what about those tester, developer? They are actually under project manager. Okay, so project manager actually a leader of a team. And here we have tester. Okay, we have tester, we have programmer or developer. Okay, we have different designer like UI designer, etc. Let's see some of the roles of this for information system. Like business analyst. So from the name you can understand, okay, business analyst, he actually do the business analysis. As I have told, you can remember, like every system must have a business value. If you cannot be benefited from the system, client won't use it, or client don't spend any money for that. Okay, so this business analyst, he actually analyze the key business aspect of the system and identify how the system will provide a business values. Then he designed the new business process and policies. Then system analyst, what he do, he actually analyze the proposal from the business analyst and he identify how technology can be improved in the business process. So you can see here, business analyst, he actually don't have to be technical person. Okay, he just know, okay, if we do like this, we'll have some business value. The system analyst is a bridge between this business and information technology. So he actually analyze those business, improve process using technology, design the new business process, design the information system. Okay, and ensure that system conforms to information system standard. So the system analyst, he actually have the knowledge of both business and information technology. So we have like this some other roles. I'll discuss our project manager. So whenever it all started, so there is a team for that, like team of analyst, team of programmer, team of technical writers or other specialists. It can be a UI designer, testing, a tester, etc. So he actually develop and monitor the project plan, assigning resources, like who will do what will be the timeline, and he actually serving as a primary point of contact of the project. So actually he have the updates how the project is going on. Okay, so this is the end of the lecture 1 actually. So we have learned about the system development life cycle, as it consists of 4 stages: planning, analysis, design and implementation. And we have seen some major development methodologies: waterfall, rapid action, XP, etc., etc. And also we have seen the 5 major roles like business analyst, system analyst, project manager, and what they do in software development process. So this is the end of the lecture 1. I hope you have understand all the terms. If you have any problem, we can discuss it in our class time. So please make sure before joining the class you have attendance this lecture. Thank you.